Hello everyone, I'm going to show you a trendy hairstyle which also suits this model well. I highlight parts of hair wholeheartedly with pinky blue mixed with purple. I combine Vern styling scissors 6ED and cutting scissors 6E together to use. Model has a lot of hair volume. Slanting cut to texturize and reduce hair volume. Use scissors over comb to cut the length. Because I have texturized before, scissors over comb becomes effortless and creates better effect. Slanting cut to texturize. Adjust hair volume first, create sense of space, and reduce the weight at hair ends. It helps to save hairdressers a lot of time. Texturizing cut to cut length. Slightly move up and down to create natural hair ends effect. Look at the hair ends. Hair curves inwards with full and thick effect. Look at the hair ends. Make the best use of good tools. You can cut and create amazing effect. Again, slanting cut to texturize. Adjust volume at hair ends, which is close to the middle part of hair. For the same hair size, repeatedly do slanting cut to texturize by lifting up the angle. It makes hair ends more smooth and beautiful. On the other side, use left hand to cut. Same way with slanting cut to texturize. Vern curved scissors can create beautiful curve, create neat and clean contour line. I adjust the volume of fringe area. Use Vern curved scissors to cut length and create curve design. The model has a lot of hair volume. I do slanting cut to texturize with 6E and 6ED. Adjust the hair volume at this part. Then, I will cut according to my design for hairstyles shape and length. I change to operate with left hand. Here, I want to create thinner effect. So, this side strongly contrasts with the back. Texturize by slanting cut, cutting length by horizontal cut. The tools are very convenient. I want to keep this side longer. Do slanting cut to cut length and adjust hair volume, and it makes the color stand out. The proportion makes the face look slimmer and both sides of hair gather inwards, showing the effect of smaller face. The hairstyle is asymmetrical on left and right sides, and contrasting thin and thick effects on the front and back.
If you like this video, optional hashtag to click like it. More haircut video clips on YouTube. Welcome to subscribe.